Hi everyone! In this video we are going to see the basics of quadrant system and angle of projections. A quadrant in engineering drawing is like representation of a graph in mathematics. In graph, we will use x and y axis as the reference. Here we will use the planes as the reference. There are two main reference planes used for drawing the projection of points, plane and solids. One is horizontal plane and the other is vertical plane. Intersection of these two planes will give us the quadrant. These regions are called as quadrants. All quadrants are formed when the two reference planes are perpendicular to each other. Angle between the planes must be 90 degrees. The intersection place of HP and BP is the reference line XY. For naming the four quadrants, we should consider anti-clockwise rotation. The quadrant at the top right corner is the first quadrant. From first quadrant, if we consider anti-clockwise rotation, we will get the second quadrant, third and the fourth quadrant. First quadrant is located at in front of VP and above HP. Second quadrant is located at behind of VP and above HP. Third quadrant is located at behind of VP and below HP. Fourth quadrant is located at in front of VP and below HP. For drawing projections of points, planes and solids, the distance from the reference plane only will be given. We have to identify the quadrant. Next, we will see the basics of angle of projections. If we draw the projection of points, planes and solids located in the first quadrant, it is called as a first angle projection. If we draw the projections of points, planes and solids located in the third quadrant, it is called as a third angle projections. In first and the third angle projections, the front view will be projected into the vertical plane VP. The top view will be projected into the horizontal plane HP. For obtaining the clear technical drawing, we will rotate the horizontal plane at angle of 90 degree clockwise so that both the top and the front view in a single plane above and below the XY line. In first angle projections, we will see the front view above the XY line and the top view below the XY line. In third angle projections, we will see the front view below the XY line and top view above the XY line. You will have a question, why there is no second angle and the fourth angle projections? We know that for obtaining the final drawing, we will rotate the HP at an angle of 90 degree clockwise. In second and fourth quadrant, both the front and the top view will be one over the other. We cannot get the top view and the front view separately. That is why there are no projections called as second and the fourth angle. Now we will see one example of cylinder in first angle projections. Consider a cylinder rest on its base in first quadrant. From front view, we will see a rectangle. This will be projected into a VP. From top view, we will see a circle. This will be projected into HP. If you are watching this video without subscribing to our channel, kindly subscribe to Thermal Science channel. If you subscribe, it will motivate us to create more videos with much more useful content. For representing these shapes in drawings, first we have to draw the XY reference line. Draw the top view of the cylinder, circle below the XY line. Next, draw projection lines from top view and draw the rectangle for the front view. We have to follow this procedure for all the solids resting on HP. Next, we will see the symbol for angle of projection. The symbol for representing the first and the third angle projection is obtained by projecting the frustum of cone resting on base in the respective quadrants. For first angle projections, if we see the frustum of cone from front view, we will see the trapezium. From top view, we will see a concentric circle. For technical drawing, these two views will be seen horizontally with trapezium on the left and concentric circle on the right. For third angle projections, if we see the frustum of cone from front view, we will see the trapezium. From top view, we will see the concentric circles. For technical drawing, these two views will see horizontally with concentric circles on the left and the trapezium on the right. First angle projection is widely used throughout all parts of Europe and often called as European projection. In India, first angle projection is widely used. The third angle projection is used in the North America and alternatively described as American projection. Depending on the manufacturing company also, it may vary. If a supplier company in India is manufacturing parts for company in North America, both companies will use the same angle of projections for drafting to avoid confusion in sharing of drawing between the companies. Let's see one technical drawing example to show which angle of projections they have used. This is the bill of materials, BOM, of a roller assembly. First, we will look at the symbol given here for the angle of projection. They have used the third angle projections. If you look at the front and the top view, you can also be able to identify the angle of projections. Here we can see the front view below and top view above. So it is a third angle projections. Hope I have covered the basics of quadrant system and the angle of projections. If you like this video, click on the like button, comment your valuable suggestion below and share it with your friends. Finally, most important, don't forget to subscribe to Thermal Science channel and click on the bell icon for the notification when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching.